Cause in my hood they let the AKs pump streets where the kids play. And every Halloween, check up the medicine. Can never duplicate the violence seen on the street. My home is down for the get to see the best days. This is the West days. Sometimes he has to pray. And if God turn his back on the ghetto youth, I know that in the truth. Sometimes I look for proof for one day if heaven gotta get. And even God doesn't matter if you blind or you cast. Remember how it was, the picnics and the parties in the project. Small time drinking, getting out with the moments. Just another knucklehead kid from the gutter. I'm dealing with the madness, raised by a single mother. I'm trying to tell you when it's old. You gotta keep your head to the sky, be strong, must have fall, hold on. I wish I could take the pain away. If you could make it through the night, that's a brighter day. Everything will be alright if you hold on. There's a struggle every day, gotta hold on.